Each orange begins its journey under the morning sun.
Careful hands guide the harvest forward. Harvest moves toward processing. Quality begins at the source.
Only the best fruit is selected.
The journey toward the factory begins. Vast fields yield nature's bounty. Every mile brings the fruit closer to transformation.
Hands that pick the fruit send it onward. Vibrant fruit travels in full batches.
The path leads to the heart of production. Every field contributes to the collective harvest. The factory awaits the fresh harvest. Arrival marks the start of transformation. Fresh fruit prepares for its journey into juice. Every journey begins with careful transport. Precision guides the journey into the plant.
Every orange is carefully handled.
Movement into the facility marks the first phase of processing. The factory welcomes its fresh cargo. Eyes ensure the smooth passage of fruit. A steady stream ensures readiness for processing. Arrival at the plant sets the stage for transformation. Every entry is controlled and guided. Signage guides the journey inside. Human oversight complements mechanical precision. Efficiency moves fruit onward. Pure water ensures freshness. Eyes catch what machines may miss. Size defines the next stage of processing. Color guides quality assurance. Only the finest proceed. Guidance keeps the process flawless.
Every fruit moves toward perfection.
All paths converge for the next stage. Guided hands keep the harvest moving.
The journey begins with gentle peeling.
Precision machinery handles each fruit. The essence of the fruit is carefully extracted. Freshness captured in every drop. Human oversight ensures perfect flow.
Clean juice moves forward, free of residue.
Heat preserves freshness without compromise.
Steam seals quality into every drop.
Cool and ready, juice awaits further handling.
Precision control maintains consistency.
Stored safely, juice is poised for packaging.
Every valve and pump is under watchful eyes.
Pipelines guide the liquid gold.
From peel to pasteurized perfection, the juice is ready for transformation.
The liquid gold finds its container. Precision ensures every drop is captured. Sealed for freshness, ready for the next stage. Every carton carries the brand of quality.
Each carton is verified before proceeding.
Flow is seamless from filling to packaging. Organized rows prepare for efficient transport.
Automation orchestrates the final arrangement. Human touch ensures perfect placement.
Transport begins within the facility.
Lines converge in preparation for packaging. Transformed into cartons, the juice moves to automation. High-tech eyes verify every pallet.
Robotics guide pallets to precise locations.
Automation maximizes space and efficiency.
Mechanical hands handle cartons with care.
Vision systems ensure flawless arrangement. Protection seals the product for journey ahead. Robotics carry the finished goods safely. Control centers oversee every automated step.
Automate delivery meets human operation.
Traceability is built into every step. Technology and human oversight move hand in hand.
Every carton is inspected with meticulous care.
Technology ensures absolute precision.
Human judgment complements automated systems.
Even weight is controlled with precision. Automation perfects every arrangement.
Orientation matters for a flawless presentation.
Human intervention ensures perfection.
Final checks guarantee consistency.
Automation builds flawless stacks.
Protection is added before storage.
Sealed for freshness, ready for transit.
With precision completed, cartons move toward final assurance.
Every batch undergoes rigorous inspection.
A small sample speaks volumes.
Every drop is analyzed for quality.
Chemical balance ensures taste and safety.
Safety is never compromised. Data drives informed decisions.
Pallet inspection complements chemical tests.
Heat and cold are tested to maintain quality.
Every result is recorded for traceability.
Only safe, verified juice proceeds.
Every batch meets the highest standards.
Clean stations ensure continuous precision.
Proved goods move forward with certainty.
Quality assured. Cartons are ready for dispatch.
Pallets reach their controlled resting place.
Every pallet finds its precise spot. Traceability ensures perfect logistics.
The journey from factory to market begins.
Careful handling preserves product integrity.
Every carton is secure transit. Distribution begins, reaching markets near and far.
Behind the scenes, efficiency keeps production moving.
Preparation is continuous for timely delivery. Every step is choreographed for speed and safety.
Logistics ensures smooth transport.
Accuracy prevents mistakes before departure.
Efficiency keeps the assembly line alive.
From plant to pallet, the system runs seamlessly.
Every carton leaves ready for the world.
And this is how modern factories produce orange juice from start to finish.
The journey concludes with efficiency and care. Comment. What's next?